Jayne Hrdlicka is an American-born business executive based in Australia. She is currently the chairwoman and board president of Tennis Australia, having been appointed in October 2017. In November 2020, she became the chief executive officer of Australian airline Virgin Australia, replacing Paul Scurrah. Hrdlicka grew up in Kansas nearby Wichita, in the United States. Her father had defected from Czechoslovakia and in 1948 migrated to the U.S. She graduated from Colorado College, Colorado, USA, with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Mathematics and Economics. She also holds an MBA from Tuck School of Business at Dartmouth College, New Hampshire, USA. Between 1987-1991 and 1997-2010, Hrdlicka held senior positions at Bain & Company, initially in the United States and in Australia from 1994. She also held a senior position at Arthur Young & Company. From 2010 to 2012, Hrdlicka was a senior executive at Qantas. In July 2012, Hrdlicka was appointed Group Chief Executive Officer at Jetstar, a position she held until July 2018, when she was appointed Managing Director, Chief Executive Officer and Director of the A2 Milk Company, an Auckland-based dairy company. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.